Good morning. 6 ways to improve your quality of life or 6 ways to improve your business. We were on such a huge high yesterday because we're working on creating disruptors for the roofing industry, the renovation industry, and the automotive industry. And unfortunately, I received some really bad news a few minutes ago that one of my connections on LinkedIn has gone bankrupt. A company after 15 years in business no longer exists. I confirm it. I wanted to see if it was a hoax or not. I called the business number, no answer. I called the cell number, no answer for a couple of times. Finally spoke with the owner and wondering like what happened. Like we weren't working for them. They were just a connection on LinkedIn. We have a lot of connections on LinkedIn. And I looked back at the history as to how I failed these people. Even though they were not a client, it still feels like a failure. I failed them, or we failed them as a company. Um, and we've been communicating since 2015. So since 2015, we sent countless of how-to videos. I mean, at least 6 or 7 how-to videos, how to do marketing, how to find connections, your ideal connections on LinkedIn, how to do it on Facebook, Instagram, and all the other stuff. And we had a number of conversations on LinkedIn and phone calls and Zoom chats and so on. And for some reason, this particular this particular connection didn't see the value in hiring us or hiring our competitors or doing something different. And now they are bankrupt. And I look back in the last 2 weeks, there's been 2 others. And in the past month, there's been at least 6 altogether. 6 companies that have been around for 10 or 15, some 20 years and no longer exist today. So that you got to understand that's really frustrating from my perspective because I mean, we fix companies all the time. We've been doing that for 39 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer 6 tools, 6 free tools that if you're not close to bankruptcy or if you're not doing as well as you could be, you can use for free to get your business to the next level. So if I can't help you, then reach out to someone else to get help, because there's absolutely no reason for you to not to be making a ton of money in the construction industry or restaurant or automotive industry or whatever industry you're in. So the first tool is we will help you find quality either crew chiefs if you're in the construction business or a general manager or vice president or president or whatever it is. We will pay the marketing costs to find you a key person to help you get your business to the next level. So whether it's a crew chief, whether it's service for your restaurant, whether it's technicians for your HVAC company or furnace company, or whatever it is, we will pay the cost to get you as many people as we can in a 30-day period. We will also pay for software, because software can make your company a hell of a lot more efficient and a hell of a lot more profitable when you use tools. And I've got other videos that talk about tools that you need to use for your company. Free tools like calendar apps and software and cost control software, marketing software, and so on. I've got a whole spreadsheet of software that you can use and try it out for 30 days. A lot of these companies don't have trials. I will pay for the trial. I will pay for the 30 days so you can try it out. A lot of this software will save you 1 to 3 salaries in the office. So if you don't have office people, it means you're not doing a lot of the work you should be doing, and that's why your company is 1 invoice or 2 invoices away from bankruptcy. So there's no reason for that. So we will get you software. We'll help you choose the right software, or just ask for these software spreadsheets. You can watch some demos on your own, and you can see how easy it could be for you to run your company. The third way is we will help you find profitable clients. If you're not dealing with, interior designers, architects, or if you're not dealing with profitable clients, if you continually get clients from hell, it means you're creating them or you're attracting the wrong clients. So we will help you, again, free for 30 days to help you find the right clients. We'll probably use LinkedIn. We could use Facebook or Instagram, but you need to find your ideal clients. If you don't know who they are, we need to figure out who they are so you can attract them. We will also work on your trust foundation to make sure when you attract them, you're not pushing them away because of something you're saying or not saying on your social media or your LinkedIn profile. The other thing is we'll offer you 30 days free consulting. Whatever problem you're dealing with, whether it's employees, whether you're having problems with clients, whether you're having problems with Revenue Canada or US or whatever it is, if you need a forensic accountant to help you deal with severe tax issues, we have someone. Obviously, that's outside source. We can have experts help you negotiating, but I can certainly have them get on the phone call with you for 15 or 30 minutes to advise you if you want to continue doing. If you want more than that, I'm sure they will charge you their hourly fee or whatever it is. So we'll help you with consulting. I mean, there's no reason why you shouldn't have a proper business blueprint, an aggressive marketing system, and the other 33 tools. I mean, we have other videos that explain more of that in detail, but free consulting to make sure you're going in the right direction. We also give you 30 days of free branding and marketing. Like let's get your business to the next level. There's no reason why you shouldn't be attracting your profitable clients, and branding is one of the main ways to do that. So we'll help you with that. Also, the sixth way is cash flow tools. If you're within weeks or months of bankruptcy because one invoice or two invoices are late, we'll help you either with loans or cash flow tools to bridge you between the time you need money, because the invoice is coming in 30 days, you need money today. There are software tools and cash flow tools to help you bridge that gap, to help you with money. I mean, money, dollars, to make sure that you can pay your invoices and pay your staff. If you've bounced checks to your employees, you know you're in trouble. So before you become the next statistic next week or next month where you're going bankrupt, ask for some help. I mean, it takes, yes, it takes guts to ask for help. It takes guts to say, yeah, I could be doing better in business. But is it better to, is it better that you keep your ego and lose your company, or keep your company and lose your ego for a couple of weeks? So would love to hear your questions, comments below. Would love to help you. There's no reason why you're suffering. Whatever you're suffering, we've been in business for 39 years. We've helped thousands of companies. There's no reason why you don't have quality of life. If you run a company, you should be doing extremely well, even during the virus. So post your questions, comments below, and let's chat. Let's see if we can help you. Thank you.